Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Anandi Arts and Crafts. Today I am going to show you customized resin rakhis. Before that, please know about the precautions, ventilation and dangers. So things needed for customized resin rakhis are resin and hardener, a mold, gloves, mask, gold and silver flakes, disposable cups and ice cream sticks, measuring spoon, letter beads, artificial red rose flowers cut into tiny pieces. Arrange the letter beads in the mold as you wish and then put the rose flower bits here and there as I am doing. Now wear gloves and mask before working with resin. Now take a disposable glass and a plastic spoon and mix resin and hardener in 3:1 ratio. 3 spoons of resin and 1 spoon of hardener. Here I am taking 6 spoons of resin and 2 spoons of hardener. Mix them using an ice cream stick or a plastic spoon. This is for first layer. After 8 hours, I will pour for second layer. Now I have taken both resin and hardener. Mix resin and hardener using a ice cream stick for 5 minutes and then keep it aside to rest for 5 more minutes so that the bubbles may disappear. Now take gold flakes and mix well in the resin. I am feeling so happy right now as I am doing for my family members. Very much excited as it is a surprise for them. I am sure they'll love these rakhis. Now pour the resin in all the sections. I have arranged the letters according to how I call them lovingly. You can also arrange according to your sentiments. Now arrange the gold flakes, red rose bits and the letters perfectly with proper spacing. If at all any bubbles occur, just glue a lighter or hair dryer on it and the bubbles will disappear. After you have done, cover it with the newspaper for 8 hours. So first layer is over. Now we will move on to second layer. After 8 hours, again mix resin and hardener in 3:1 ratio. Mix for 5 minutes and keep it to rest for 5 more minutes so that the bubbles disappear, and pour them in all the sections. Fill the sections fully and see that you don't overfill it, that the resin comes out. So pour carefully and patiently. So I have filled almost all the sections. Now just have a look as how I have filled till the edge. After filling, cover it with newspaper for 24 hours. After 24 hours, they are ready to demold. The rakhis look really very beautiful. So let's demold now. It comes out so easily. See how beautiful, shiny, transparent, amazing results. Do try at your home and let me know your views. The edges are also smooth. We can use them on both the sides. So attractive. Because of second layer, the whole opening has been covered. So just dig it with something sharp and you'll get the hole cleared. So friends, hope you would have liked these customized resin rakhis very much. My family members were surprised to see their names in the rakhis. They liked it very much and were very happy. Beautiful memories on this Raksha Bandhan. So friends, if you liked the video, please tap the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Let me know your comments in the comment section. Follow me in Insta and FB, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.